everyone, this is Kevin Tan from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. Today, Landed Dynamic Alliance at 7772 is proud to present to you this signature landed listing at the Upper Bukit Timah area in District 21. Nested in this exclusive landed enclave along Lorong Kismis, this beautiful freehold 3-story with attic corner terrace sits on a generous land size of 3,020 square feet and a greatly sought after south-facing direction. Rebuilt in 2015 to perfect a contemporary Zen fusion style with a functional living space for the whole family. It is also equipped with a private lift that serves all levels and a sheltered car porch for 2 family cars. As we enter into the house, you'll be greeted by a bright and spacious living area. And let your mood relaxes as we stroll by the indoor water features with the koi fishes. Be mesmerized by the grand double volume dining area coupled with a beautiful chandelier. This is definitely one of my most favorite kitchen layout. Look at the space. The whole family can get together to craft out their favorite delicious recipe. Equipped with a good sized kitchen island and well ventilated side windows, making the whole cooking experience rewarding for the chef. This cozy family corner is just the place to host your guests. With an exclusive bar counter area just next to it, it is also designed to be easily converted into an ensuite bedroom if required too. Come, let me show you to the master room, the main highlight of the house. Look at the size of the master room. You can easily fit in a king-size bed and still have so much space for your massage chair. Let me show you to the favorite place of the ladies. Look at all the space that you have for your bags and your clothes. How about a 5-star luxurious bathroom with your own private bathtub and your rain shower? All bedrooms in this house are ensuite and is tucked away from each other to have your own privacy. This attic room will be one of the family's favorite hangout area, where you sing to your heart content or convert it into a private gym room. Last but not least, this is definitely the perfect area for gatherings and barbecue under the stars. Look at the view from here. Get in touch with us now at 9326 7772 for an exclusive home tour. Once again, this is Kevin Tan from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. Landed Dynamic Alliance at 7772, your compass for landed properties.
AAG, the #1 top division in OrangeTee and Thai.